Live? No way. Shit is so weirded. I'm so sorry. Stream crashed for some reason, but we're back. So, so once those bounds are set, small cube. Oops, that's horrendous. That's like atrocious. Um, do you like to start from the bottom, Psycho? And is there like a constant here or something? I don't know how to. Oh, that's what I'm trying to do. Let me see. Let me YouTube. Yeah, I'm trying to. The fuck, motherfucker. Oh yeah, this is exactly what I want. Yeah. Um. So in this case, I think what I want to mention first simply was. Whoa. Let me turn that down. The order matters here. Because you can make it such that in the case for Z where its bounds are 0 to H, say if you were to put it in the front, you can just remove it without having it to include in your integral for both of these components. Go ahead. Oh my gosh, you got to this. Isn't it like you get to fucking pull that motherfucker over here? The first integral that you do is it this one or is it this one? Right. So it was like a tiny square here that itself was like R. I forget the other ones. A. Mhm. Interesting. So if we were to dx dy dz. Interesting. We. Okay. Scroll. Well, oh, interesting. Without the integration here, so without. Hmm. Oh, dude, yeah. This is. I remember yesterday. This was the part that I was like, "Oh, fuck," because it's that's literally the yeah. Well, that's how you establish through the bounds what space you are integrating over. And it's you're is it how do you word it properly? You're approaching infinity, like as the spaces those volumes get smaller. Right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sweet, 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 sweet. So what you mentioned to me right after in terms of then structuring the integrals is that because of the proper properties of dz, it could be placed as the first. Um, so that simply we sorry, I'll get quick at this as soon as I'm decent at it. But right now it's like what? Oh, but this is with the integrals in place. And the integral for h is which of the squiggles for z? Sorry. Okay, that's what I was assuming because I like to me the variables and the integrals sort of fall together and then compute something. Um, the very last, so the one closest to v. Yeah, right. So in this case, now we just On the next step, do we demark the bounds, or can I demark the bounds here? And so that's h to 0. Z is square root of r squared minus y squared. This is the bounds of x contain y, right? And so you can't get rid of y when you have it later on. Is that okay? Fuck. And then y would be negative or to r. Now, with that standing, we're just to reiterate, um, x could be r, and then it would be r squared minus x squared. Is the point you were trying to hit at earlier? Right, right, right. Exactly. Okay. Fascinating. Yeah, for sure. Um, yeah. So the first integral. So fuck. All right. Let's see. Oh fuck. Oh shit. So I remember something about some power rule, right? Making it such that we can add into that spot a one. Oh, appreciate that, brother. Oh, okay. So we're taking the values of its all the values of 0 to h. Are we just literally putting them into the calculator, or like? Mhm. All right, we're gonna have to dig into that. We're gonna have to sit in the pocket here a little bit. So okay.